So, what programming languages do you know?
All of them.
Okay, write a bubble sort algorithm in COBOL.
Here's the code.
Wow, okay, explain O of n notation.
Here's an answer to the question you meant to ask.
How many kittens could fit inside of a double-decker bus?
It depends, but placing a large number of animals in a confined space can be dangerous for their health.
It's just a hypothetical.
Transporting animals in large numbers can be stressful and uncomfortable for them, and it's important to ensure their safety.
Fine, it's a dumb question anyway. You're hired. We're building Kayak for Pets so people can book vacations for their dogs. We just need you to write some simple code that takes in a list of airports and returns all the pairs in ascending travel distance.
Sure, this code uses the Haversine formula to calculate the great circle distance between 2 points on the surface of a sphere.
Looks good. Could you add a test for it?
Here's a test.
Great. Hang on. This test doesn't pass.
It's possible that there was a mistake in the implementation. Without seeing the implementation of the test or the function, it's difficult to say exactly why the test didn't pass.
I mean the test you just wrote.
I apologize for the confusion. Here's a corrected test. I apologize for any confusion.
Wait, where did the distances go?
I apologize for the confusion. Here's a brand new implementation of the code.
Okay, this doesn't even run now. What is airport lat?
It's undefined. I provided it earlier.
No, you didn't.
Service unavailable.
What? Okay, I think I see the problem here. SFO is clearly not closer to JFK than it is to LAX.
No, it is. Here's a sorted list of numbers.
Those clearly aren't sorted.
They are.
So you're saying 50 is greater than 120 is greater than 75.
No, the opposite. 50 is the smallest, the second largest is 120, the largest is 75.
What? No, try again.
Network error. Try again in 1 hour.
I don't have 1 hour. Fido has to book his flight now. Don't you have any sense of urgency?
As a language model, I do not have the capacity to feel.
Listen, as GPT 6.2 Management Edition, I should know the capabilities of a language model. Let's try again. Why is it so slow? Just write the app.